up. Sache.
17:38. I'm like, hey, what's up? Since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack across the road. I'm into the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remixing my low. She my track queen, let her hit the bingo. We be counting up, watching how the flames go. We just set and go, talking about some Lambos. And love with the money, I ain't never let go.
Yeah, I need PC more than phone. I will get the phone, no worry. Yo, chat, we back outside here, man. Why you order for me? You feel like a half banana, you see what I'm saying? It's telling me low bit rates. What do you mean low bit?
Low BTS.
Get smokers. Play ball with who? Huh? Boy, you gonna play football? You know that you say you are doing this, right?
Yeah.
Now you go and take a gun number with the iPad, with MC iPad. Let's see whether the iPad.
Bring it. I'll bring it.
Let's see if the iPad is going to work. The iPad, let's see if it is gonna work.
But the iPad made always works. Give me the mic.
Yeah, let's go and take a number with the iPad. So see that to me, bro.
I know the pin there. Hey, might be losing water.
Did he call you? Because I don't call boy.
Yo. Yeah.
Hey, MC, did Chesa call you?
Where the guy is? Call me. I'm not call.
Chesa, I'm not. Chesa. Phone I'm on my. Take them at money, boy. Oh, 326. Call him here. Okay, Aja, I'm waiting for you.
You know what?
Wait.
Wait.
Go ahead, call Chesa.
Who want to talk to you? Him. How?
Yo, Chesa. When you palma boy.
She's right there.
Yeah, so because I resisted
Now what do you want to do that mine now? Just take number for content, right?
This nigga is saying, okay, now let's see what. Say what?
You know what? I'm gonna flip the table. Let's give him the iPad and the thing to collect the cow's number.
I told you how many times? I don't want to be in a relationship.
No, this for content now.
No, go and bring a girlfriend. If you want that, bring a girlfriend. Bring a girlfriend. No, me, I don't go up to girls. Yo, I thought this was iPhone. This is your iPhone. Boy, I don't have time for ladies, my friend. Yes, boy. Boy, I'm going to video, boy. I'm going to do it, man. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it, boy. Man, my ice cream. I'm going to do it. Yeah. My ice cream, boy. I'm going to do it, man, boy. That's what I'm saying.
You know who I'm going to? You a girl there with a pink.
You see big nails like you want to fly. I know you have been looking at. See you know Romani. Damn, the big race is good here. What is going on here? 2 something? 2-1. Big race is good there. Sorry, look. Hiki. Huh? Tiri.
Smart, you get
This guy. Who they? Let me shut up, sir.
No. Hey, sister. You going down, Rose? At least give the number for the Rose. Give him your number for the Rose. If I want to be spoken,
Go and take the rest from her so that we use it. We give it to God.
Let's go.
Let's try. No, you are not going to take back. Look, we are just going to nail her. I was going to tell her, yo, Can I have videos, please? I want to do this. Okay. Boy, walk. No, I want to. I'm going to do this.
You go.
Generous. Boy, leave my camera. Boy, you want to use it, boy. Boy. You are very foolish, boy. You are pulling our game, boy. Since the man help boy, let's go. We are going this way now. What do you see that pinky? Yeah, go to pinky. Boy, you guys are very foolish, boy. You guys are following us, boy. Life.
Let's go to Mickey.
But I thought you rebrand, so why is he calling us? Tell him no, it's sunny.
Yeah, we outside.
That was
No, man.
Somebody
round it.
when I was a traveler, somebody round it 2 times.
Yes.
That was So what's the word again? Boy, you just trolling, boy. Yeah, my man. What person is in a game? This one more one low bitrates, boy. Let's go. I go to. But you are in a relationship, bro. You are in it. You are in a relationship now.
Hey, who are you to talk about him?
You are in a relationship now.
Why you talk about him? Yes.
Last time you were saying that. When you tell him MC, this guy, he say no.
I'm happy with that. So someone that's cheating on me, I should consider that.
Yes, because you are still there. You are still there. You are still there. So basically, you are there. But you know, they say people deserve second chance. You have a second chance now. Give us a second chance, boy. Give us a second chance, boy. You are going back to your audience. Yeah. How much is it?
What are you taking? Draw ball or Birmingham FC? Anyway. Well defended by Waka FC. Nice pass, Birmingham. This one is
It's groundnut.
Official outcast, Birmingham FC.
How much you get? 3 hours.
No worries.
Don't worry, I have my machine. You don't have to. Let me go. Oh, it's down the corner. But you are a good cameraman, man. Double cameraman in the court, man. Chat. This is the first time MC is holding a camera. Imagine.
I'm not in there. This guy here is somebody to hold this camera.
You take what? What up? Yeah, no problem, man. Boy. No, I remove it. Huh? Yeah, I see it. I'm like, what am I doing now, child? What am I doing now? You just want to spray, boy. Yeah. Camera, you are forgetting cameraman. You are forgetting, huh? Double cameraman. Right. Yeah. Boy, Naka boy. Yeah. You did it, boy. Boy, stand then, boy. Then I on there. Why anything? Nah, double cameraman. Next year, screamer invited. I will take you know. Huh? Yeah, you see it, eh? I see it too. I see it. This boy, this boy is very dangerous, boy. Hickey, boy, hickey.
Way back, man.
You better put powder there, powder. Okay, well. So I give you the tablet to take the guy's number with the tablet. You are scared, huh?
I want you to do it.
No. What do you mean you want me to do it?
I'm never scared of God. Remember, that's not.
You are very foolish, boy.
You know me when it comes to that, boy. I back my hand inside.
Where? The horror na dia ah, boso give tama living boy. Bango man there. No, this one is different. But this guy is good though. Should we take this guy's number for the wedding stream? Wait. Let him finish.
Yo.
MC, nanga. Alam mo kung may point ha. Abi dapat develop in there. Difficult. Okay. Let me talk to him. Hey bro. Hey bro, nakala. Ame nga ma? Wow, bro. Last time, you know because people artists we know go around living a red.
Yeah, it was one time,
Yeah, I need your number. I have a stream that I want to do. But I need.
Yes, I understand. I don't know my number for you. I'll tell you this. I was leaving my phone at home. If you get me your number,
you know how
I'm home today. I writing. I call you today.
Okay. No pen.
You writing something?
You don't have pen, no anything. Damn. Huh? No, phone number ko tayo. Mune karamun naman. Damn. Boy, do you have pen?
Wait, I give you my WhatsApp number.
Yeah,
you can see me with WhatsApp number. It's a Senegal number.
Okay, give me. Put it in.
Yeah, take care because this is private. About this, I don't think
Umar,
if you write in my name, you can see my WhatsApp.
Okay. I will text you WhatsApp. Or I call
you. Call me with WhatsApp. I can send you my number from here.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay.
We are family.
Merci beaucoup.
We are artists. We are musicians.
Yeah, no problem. I will call you.
This one is
Yeah.
This one do podcast.
Yeah. You do OnlyFans.
Go ahead.
Do OnlyFans, man.
OnlyFans, but money there. You talk.
Yeah. Are you willing to do it?
Yes. If my mom and dad will not see it.
So you are willing to spoil the whole life for OnlyFans money?
So $1,000.
No, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
And you not again.
You are different, gang. So you want to go to Hellfire, right? You don't know. Okay. They will after you, huh? They will see you and after you. Yo, child, I ain't gonna lie. We have a crazy stream coming, boy. We already secured this guy. So now we have to fly. Boy, do you read the script I give you?
I ain't read that shit, man.
You know you guys.
I didn't read it in my book.
Boy, read the segments.
This my give.
We have segments.
Even AI made so many mistakes in that shit. I read it.
Boy, the segments are the important part. You need to know what to do. Like segment 1, segment 2. That's why I send you the list.
Just put me down.
You are very foolish, boy.
Just put me down. Tell me, boy, you have to do this. You have to do that. I got it. No,
I cannot tell you on stream. You need to know. Which pastor?
I'll be the one begging both of them to kiss the bride.
You are very foolish. So who's going to be the groom and because we need somebody to play the groom. No. Okay, MC come. The very stream. Who's going to be the groom?
Who's going to be the groom?
Because you need a guy to be the groom. You need pastor. You want to be a pastor? You need Tamakal. You need
You all want to kiss the bride. Everybody will kiss the bride.
Are you ready to be in that stream?
Nobody there. In what?
We are applying a stream. It's a wedding stream.
Yeah, I am in.
Don't worry.
I'll be the artist for the host.
No problem.
You
First,
be the MC. You be the MC.
yeah, thank you very much.
You be the MC.
I don't know that. Whatever happens. You have to
Imagine. MC and the bride. You all want to kiss. Grab that thing. Wow.
You're gonna
Hang on, man.
No. We have another one. Man, I'm going to call this one. You know that one. Do they have? She never asked for. Which side?
But there are so many fashions.
No, they got double months, boy. I'm telling you. You don't fool. Excuse me, camera man. No.
Allah is going to do backflips. Oh yeah, run. They go. What is?
You cannot do it. You cannot do it.
Not if you tell me, don't stress my man. No, don't stress my man. Wait, man. You're a legend. Don't stress me.
This boy is very foolish. Sonny, you are very foolish, boy.
Boy, you should have done it. I like seeing you doing back.
You like seeing you are telling me you like seeing another guy do something.
Why you gonna do it? Because you are a party.
No, it's not like yeah. But so I make a lot of money. You chop money, we all chop money, boy. Go. We all chop money. Boy, go, boy. Attack.
No.
Boy, we believe in you, boy. We believe in you to get it.
But we see the
Boy, we believe in you, boy. Boy, we believe in you, boy. Boy, don't let us down. Don't let us down, boy. Don't let us down, boy.
This one right now, the heart is beating so fast.
Yeah, it's in his ass right now. And you only have the small kids. Go, you see Pepe. When she slaps you, you see.
Yeah, let's go. What does this have to do with tablet?
Yeah, this is you, eh?
The Bluetooth device is disconnected. The Bluetooth device is disconnected.
Boy, you see?
I said the Bluetooth device is disconnected.
Boy, you see the dog, boy. So now you are a dog person now. I'm seeing a lot of big bundas here. Nobody's holding you now. Nobody's holding you. Nobody is holding you now. So we believe in you. We give you a commission. You see, attack. You say no. You are scared now. You are scared of the ladies.
Now, let me put something in the line. Make it clear. How come you never do shit?
Oh, okay,
Good. Okay,
I love that question. Why don't you?
Me, I answer this question.
Sister?
Me, I answer this question on the other tire. This one no be. This one they.
And if I see you, come.
Wait. You are always losing your order, trying to put me on.
I'm trying to put you
are always losing your order, trying to.
Oh, yes! I don't give a fuck about aura, bro. Aura is nothing. Or you can get aura the next day, you can lose it the next day.
You guys are having heartbreaks. You want me to join inside your relationship drama? No, please.
No, not relationship. For the clips.
I know you see that, yes. I know you see that, yes. I know you see that, yes.
I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing.
You see everything, bro. You see everything.
Focus, boy.
Look at those people.
You should go over there instead of here following guys. Boy.
You go.
Push up.
I said do it first. Go.
Push up.
Go.
Go.
That's good. Do it first. Let's see. Do it first.
No, are you?
This boy went to gym 1 month. He lost.
I lost weight.
This boy went to gym and he started getting slim. I'm like, hey, no, stop. You only have muscles and you are losing the muscles too. Please. No, this guy.
I went to the gym and got slim. Because the stress, boy.
You know me, I have aura, boy. When I take this off, boy, no, the 6 parts, boy. When I take this, You guys are very foolish, boy. Boy, get up, let's go. Why? What happened? What happened? What happened?
You like, ooh.
Boy, your future wife, boy. Pela marry your future wife. So now what are you going to do? Boy, Pela, you go and marry my boy's future wife, Pela. Why? Why? You recognize this boy, right? He was the one telling Jarvis to do 360. You remember? Thank you.
But you know why I fucked her one place, yeah? I should have gotten her. Hello.
Information. You have couple of times to do that. You didn't do it.
I fucked up, boy. Don't make her ban you.
Ban how? Ban who? Hey. Fuck you, nigga.
Okay, listen, let me tell you something. Your order is not there yet, so relax.
Hey, I'm telling you.
Boy was lucky. They almost.
Yeah, they pay that. If I pay that boy, I can't. We go chop it. You don't have 1K. You want to finish 1K? Only 1K people know me. That's
You are very lucky. You are very
very evil guy. Very dangerous human being.
Because we are working.
We are just flying, bro.
Wait. We are in the horse in the nyash of the horse for 200 subs.
Do you know that there are some people who eat like the nyas burgers, like the cow's burgers. Like muna eight nyara la.
I'm black, nigga.
Oh, fries.
Nigga, I am black.
Fries.
I am black, nigga.
No, I don't want to sit on it. That's all.
Nigga.
I'm on fries. Let's go.
Black.
I'm not paying too much for this.
I am black, bro.
I am black.
So what do you mean I'm black? So black people do not use horse or what?
Yeah, I'm just saying I'm black.
Black people use horse, the boy. Just say you don't want to do it. Damn. So it's like the stream is getting closer, boy. The stream you are planning is getting closer.
No, when you come down for it, I'm down for it. You can solve everything. I just come and play my part.
What do you mean? We are going to solve everything. You come and play your part.
You know what?
What do you think this is? But when clip come, you post clip. No. Then you are not going to post clip there. No, I'm telling you, they crazy.
Yeah, we outside, nigga. We outside, nigga. That's there, you bastard, you.
You see how Pops is looking at you. When he flying over you, one, you understand? Okay, so let's go. Let's part.
Are you serious? Are you serious? You wanna fight?
Hey, no touch there. It's just like hand movement. Let's move forward. Let's go there. Let's move forward. Let me show you what my boy teach me. Yeah. What I learn on stream. I want to show you like I'm him. Boy, let's walk small. Relax.
No, let's box now.
No, let us pass the post. I think that's the post.
Well, so good as you and them boxing. Come on, one time, I'm down. Come on. Yeah.
But I think he was free now.
No, it's gonna be a fighter.
So you lied. Because I know you are not going to fight.
Me, I'm a fighter now.
You will not fight you.
No, you don't play with me.
Okay. Okay, let's see now. Let's see.
Hey, I ready.
No, it's not. We are not touching them. We are just. We are just fine. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Calm down, ready?
Boy, start now. Why you bring these guys series, man? Okay, let's go.
We are fight.
You're standing his hand.
No problem. So, Mohammed Ali.
Come on, there.
Nigga, are you crazy? Nigga, Mohammed Ali. Nigga, Mohammed Ali.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Pop, pop, pop.
One. Now, let me show you, nigga. No, you don't. What do you finish? Nigga, you didn't touch. I was like this, nigga. No, you was not going to touch anything.
That was real life. You had no stop go.
Nigga. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Your nose is bleeding there.
Yeah.
Inhale.
Boy, start this thing, boy.
Ready? Bam, bam.
Mm. Nigga, you're coming here, you're not knocking. What I mean?
Because I already have you.
No, you don't have me, nigga. I'll do like this. Jab. Uppercut.
let's go.
See? You see, Pepe?
Wait, Essie. Wait.
You are going. 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 Boy, let's go. Let's go. Nigga, you are ass, boy. You are not moving, okay? Like, I'm throwing this one. I'm trying to, like, make you, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm convincing you.
What? I agree the guy again.
Huh? No, don't just greet. If you want to greet, you follow. Greet and follow.
So I'm going to follow.
Huh?
3v3
You will hold this, guys.
3v3 there.
Yeah, very.
3v3. You lose. I swear we lose.
You guys are not training, boy. Let me see whether you guys have power. Let's. You are very wicked. You are.
Me, I can even pick you up, son.
Who me?
Yes. You can pick up like I pick my bitches.
No.
Nah, that's some gay shit, gang.
That's some gay shit, man.
How much this amount of people is from here to there? It's like I'm not even new to people. Need them really there.
Yes.
You see this amount of people you see right now here, there. There was the same amount of people, all of them are there.
We gonna save that shit for this weekend.
You are very funny. You prefer. I will not send you this clip. This one. Yeah. I'm going to send you this clip. You was anybody that time. See, we are the hurdle. Clip. I will send you this clip. This one you go pay money. That don't go edit. Yeah.
Everybody now.
Boy, let's go this way. Look at this dog. Sonny. Fuck you, nigga. If you are doing this, don't follow me. Please. Don't follow me. Go. Me. I'm not with you now. Go. Boy, don't follow me. Go. You are trying to do some bullshit. Go. Please, don't follow me. Nigga, I know it's a chance. No, don't worry. Go. No, you are doing this bullshit and you are telling me what? After you run, you leave me here. No, it's not going to be possible. You are very foolish. Do you know what dogs did to me? This boy is a clip farm boy. You have to be careful with this guy.
You see all those people?
We are bending down here. Please. We are just going like it. Yo, who is that?
Yes.
We go back? We are just moving now. Yeah, we are going to fire. We are already in fire.
Guess what? All this boxing shit here, it does not work on the real African guy.
You dey crazy? Hey, listen to this boy. He say all the boxing shit doesn't work on African guy. When they catch you, in fire. This guy is crazy.
No, you're
they will kill you. Okay, you know what you're gonna do? I will set up something, huh? You and my boy who knows how to box.
I saw a sparring, I saw someone spar a boxer, and I knew what's throwing and doing all that. You see that guy? The way
They are very fast. They will give you space. Win. You understand?
You think it doesn't work? Go and try it.
Uh-huh.
You find out.
Go and watch my stream. The stream I was learning how to box. You watch everything.
Come back.
You see how they was doing me, right?
No, nigga, you cannot come to me with like you're this stupid thing with like. Now I'm ready to beat your ass. I will win you.
You see fire. You.
You see these people around here.
Nyara battery nyara persen la nek. Wa battery ci connexion bi dafa melni dafa bonde. Oh shit. You I know both of you guys are waiting for the opportunity to clip on.
I'm not even thinking about this. No, let me tell you that one. I didn't want to know why. Save that shit for this again. Oh God, what is this? You got have.
I never read this side. I never read this side. But I don't think I come all the way here. Because mostly I stop at there.
You say this mom is funny. That's why you keep all this stuff.
If you want to remove that one, you have to do like this every day. If you do it every day, what for you lose this one?
All that spam, huh? So guys, you see this now? You see these people cook no cook like that as cook. Trust me. Like all this boy out.
Nakala boy, that white girl, Nakala. I believe in you, Sonny. I believe in you, Sonny. Look, I look up to you. You are Duke Dennis.
I'm not gonna let it. Me, I don't believe in you, sorry.
Take the white girl's number, boy.
No what?
Like you are Duke Dennis. MC Nakala, the people want to good food. Nakala, do your thing, MC. Do your thing.
That's why I'm not Hindi girl. How do you even know she speaks our local language? How do you know that she gets?
Sonny, you're Sonny, so Sonny, only of you this talk. You are scared. You are scared of white people. You are only you. Yes, I'm gay. No problem. I don't mind. But you only
You are gay.
Yes, no problem.
Why are you gay? Why are you gay? No, I ask you why you gay.
Cause I'm gay.
So that's you for this is gay.
No, that one doesn't match, boy. That one doesn't match. That was.
All jokes aside, why do you allow a man put pipe in your nyash? The awkward silence, huh?
The G spot. Yeah, you are very foolish. You.
Nah. But come here, you really see white cars, by themselves walking.
No, that white guy. All this black people. You are just scared. You are just scared of white people.
The day I step foot in either America, USA, okay?
America, USA,
or
right?
Europe, America or Europe or Asia or like China, yeah. If I'm coming back soon, no, I bring you a white guy.
So you are leaving me here and go and collect your bring. You are very foolish. So what am I doing then by then?
You still ready to blow?
I'm
Okay, now I bring you another woman.
ready to blow up.
You still waiting for luck? What?
He said what? He said he saved it for Disney. Dafa ñaawon telu.
Back then he was funny, yeah, he was.
Hey, if I see you me and MC one of our video 2024, I think. I don't know 2024.
He was ugly too.
You cry. This guy was dark. He was looking like pumpkin, boy.
I feel like you use that reason.
Boy, your girlfriend will not like that. You see, we have video in that.
But hear me out.
Huh?
I feel like
Feel him.
you should use the wrist that you taught me on the card.
Which is?
Are you from Tennessee?
That shit doesn't work there. These guys, they don't understand that line. That's the problem.
They only know Benachin Domada.
They don't understand the line, boy. When you tell them they will say, huh?
Benachin and Domada, this is knowing, boy. Are you from Tennessee? Because you're doing Tennessee. I don't get.
That guy says she doesn't know how to speak English.
See me, I'm from Senegal. So Senegal is none of them speak English. But I've met so many.
Unless they travel or they learn how to speak English. Yo, are they going to let us use this thing?
What?
Volleyball.
Nigga, Ask them for the ball.
They will kick us out.
If you are
Boy,
lucky,
this
you
place
might-
is nice there.
you might use it. If you are not, you might not.
You see, they have a lady DJ. Yeah. South
Does that
Africa,
make it up there?
South Africa, they have a lot of ladies.
Does that make it up there?
No, I don't think so. No, it's not Mickey. You don't know South Africa, most of their DJs are ladies.
Well, who is South Africa here?
No, I'm telling you. I know this is the first time you've seen a lady who is DJing.
Waffles.
Huh.
Uncle Waffles.
Uncle Wafu, that's what I'm saying. Uncle Wafu is like from South Africa. That's what I'm telling you.
That shit is this thing.
Uncle Wafu is from South Africa. Disney.
Destiny child.
Disney.
Say that shit fall. This is there.
Yo, this place is nice, huh?
Like, come here, you can bump there.
That's Tamala, right? That's Tamala, yeah.
But Shirija, I know your mom have been telling you. See your wife, ma, please take that number. Don't come
No,
over.
do you know what is the crazy part? She always asks me like, you don't have like white lady? I'm like, no. I'm like, I don't like white ladies. That's what I told her. Yo, Chad, we're gonna end the stream, man. Double stream, you know what I'm saying?
Chad, stop asking.